besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Today, since it's a new month, we're going to be going out shopping to whichever store I decide to go to. I'm going to be shopping to feed my entire family. So, come on. Okay guys, so we're going in Super One and get a few groceries to feed the family. To get 3 of these, they're on sale for $2.47 if you buy 3. These are the kids' favorite. I don't care for them. We got these and the sour cream. Trying to lay off of the drinks, but they're on sale for $3.47. The off-brand, of course. The clear fruit juices, $57. Not too bad. Oh, and Pop-Tarts. I think they have these at home already, $2.47. These crackers on sale for $2.47. The good kind, not the nasty kind. These are $1.97. You're gonna get the root beer. The kids like root beer. I'm gonna get 2 of those. And pineapple Fanta. Bread on sale for $2.47, so I'm gonna get 2 of those. Okay, I'm gonna get 1 of these. We love these cucumbers. Gotta make sure they're not. These were all wet. Yeah, just the mini cucumbers. $1.99. Oh shit! Really? Everything wanna fall. And I need some green onions. They're on sale for 88 cents. So I'm gonna get a bag. Got 2 of those. And some fresh watermelon. $3.91. And some this, but they don't look fresh. They just look wet. My goodness. And of course, we gotta get us 1 of these. Minced garlic. Can't cook without my garlic. It's healthy for you as well. For $3.58. I have the boneless steaks, sirloin steaks. These are the prices. Well, this is the cheapest one I see so far. Nope, I lied. Take that back. These ribs, $7.60. There's the pork ribs. I'm gonna get this one. It's a great deal. $2.97 a pound. As high as meat is today. It's $1.97. See what we can find today, guys. Let's see if this is part of it. I doubt it. Even cheaper. $1.88 a pound. Let's see what I can find. $8.50. $8.50 is about the cheapest. Oh, even cheaper. $1.48. We're gonna go with this one. Great price. And here's one spot that I try my best not to skip over. Because we having some great prices in here. Just $5.29 was $7.05. That don't look so great. So now, looks like that's been sitting. Check this out. It's a great deal. $1.78 a pound for $5.68. Season it and stuff that. Yup. These are our choices so far. Let's get some milk. The cheapest they have right now is $3.98. I'm gonna put the milk at the bottom. Butter $1.68. Let me get one of those. That's a sale, but not for me. Okay, bread. What do we need bread for? At that very moment, I knew I should have brought my microphone. I was still trying to decide what all I needed, and why I was getting the bread, I don't know. I think I forgot to get the cans of chicken and tuna to make sandwiches for a quick and easy meal, especially when I don't have the energy to cook for that day. Either the kids can make something or I can make something, which is why I taught my children how to cook at a very young age. I know it's not their responsibility, but they enjoyed cooking, so I just thought it was a plus and a win for me. Oh Lord, they got the crispy chicken salad, y'all. Clearance for $4.19. I should feed at least 2 or 3 of us with this. These other few snacks, those are just like out of my budget, but the kids love these, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. These are $3.18, so basically 2 for $6. And we're gonna get some tuna or chicken and be done. There's a 12 pack for $4.18, and then 6 packs for $2.18, and then you can get 12 of these at 27 cents. Let's see. Of these is going to come out to $3.24, way cheaper than $4.18. At home, I'm done with the groceries, so now I'm gonna put them away. Okay, y'all, so I done took my shower and got comfortable. Okay, y'all, groceries were put away, dishes washed, just gotta put that away. My son is 15 years old, and he decides to cook jerk chicken. That's the shelf. And I just added something real quick and easy with it. So let's see how this jerk chicken tastes. Check it out. Nothing too fancy. I can't never figure out which way to look. This way, that way. Check it out. It's good, y'all. Don't forget to like and comment what you would like to see us cook next time. It's tender, y'all. It's tender. It's hot, though. I'm gonna be honest, my first time trying jerk chicken. He been dying to cook this. And here it is. The skin crunchy. He did his thing. For a 15-year-old, it helps take the slack off of me. I'm just glad that they understand that. All right, y'all. Bye for now. This thing, 15. And they're gonna either have a salad or rice with it. I mixed up one of these little cups, and I'm gonna have that with my jerk chicken. That's enough for 2 servings. The chicken's so tender, y'all. Don't worry about that. That's mine. Look at it. Just right there. I was in the process of cleaning my stove, y'all. I'm always worried about trying to be neat and clean, but not anymore. Close up of his work. He did a good job. And this is my plate. I'm about to tell y'all how it tastes.